Hello, Champion George Duarte here from the Georgia Live Cooking Show. Today is September 27th, 2019. We're going to be making a nice, special, sexy, family-friendly drink, and we're going to get right to it. So here we have some frozen peaches. We have some what's left of the fresh basil. We're going to be using some organic pear juice. We're going to use some grape juice. So first off, we're going to take the peaches and put them in the Vitamixer. Way down in there, right? Then we're going, oh, wait a minute. Don't go nowhere. Don't get the rest of this up in there. And put them up in there, way down in there. Then we're going to take the fresh basil, put that in there. We're going to take a little bit of the pear juice, maybe a cup or so of the pear juice. We're going to do about the same of the apple juice, grape juice, about the same amount, 1 to 1. Then we're going to take this right here like this, and we're going to put this bad boy on like this. Okay, we're back with we finished blending the juice, or a drink I should say, with the peaches, the apple, pear juice, grape juice, and the fresh basil. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take it and pour it into our deliciousness of the cup. And then we have a special guest that I'll let sample this. This is one of my main man. He's my sous chef. He's my awesome little grand nephew. Ooh, that's kind of good. And without any further ado, I want to bring over my nephew, Anthony, Jaden Anthony Murphy. Come up here, sir.
Hello.
Okay, slow down, Tiger. Slow down. Slow down, Tiger. Slow down, Tiger.
Is that one?
Slow down, Tiger. We're doing a video, a cooking show.
Yes.
We're letting you sample the drink. Now stand up here so you could be seen.
Yes.
So what we're gonna do is we're gonna allow you to sample it, and you can tell the viewers what you like best about it. So you can take whichever one you want.
Can I just
Could you sample it, sir, and tell us what you like best about it? Could you stand up here, please? Thank you, sir.
Well, it does have bubbles.
Could you taste it and tell the viewers what you like best about it?
All right. Tastes like the one in the other video.
So what do you like best about it, sir?
The same thing of the other one.
So is it good?
Yeah.
Yes?
Yes.
You know, sometimes when you get the straight truth from one of the little children, yeah. Sometimes you gotta, just take it for what it's worth, because they just telling it like a TI is. So guys, I want to thank my nephew, and you can take that with you, sir. Is it good? Mm-hmm. You can take that with you. We appreciate you. You can take that with you.
Where?
You can take it with you into the other room, sir.
I thought I was gonna.
You're on the video, so now we need you to take this, okay? Because we're getting ready to close the video, okay? So.
Bye, viewers. Bye.
Okay, thanks, buddy.
Have a good day, and subscribe.
See what I mean? It's awesome, right? It's awesome. So, guys, make sure you, as you heard my nephew say, make sure you like the video, share the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, which is below this link on this video. Let the world know about our amazing recipes. Let the world know about George's all-purpose barbecue sauce, which we have 4 amazing flavors: original, family friendly, mildly hot with a little kick, mangalicious, sweet and spicy, and really hot. And with that said, we want to thank you guys for watching. I want to thank you guys for allowing me to share. My nephew, he's a cad, that one, and he's awesome. You guys are awesome. I got to try this now too, huh? Ooh, wow, that's good right there. That's real good, nice and refreshing, real simple to make. You can do this with your kids. You can do this with your grandkids, or you can do this with your nieces or nephews, as we did. You can do this with your, as a family. So, guys, we love you guys. Until tomorrow, I'm George Duhart from Georgie's Live Cooking Show. God bless you guys. Thank you guys for watching. You guys are awesome. God bless.